But
I'm keeping this in the video. This part is not getting edited
yeah,
out.
the cough. Yeah. What's up, guys? So my idea today, make a video how to pick a mining pool. And the reason I want to do this is because I have so many DMs and so much support asking for how to pick a mining pool. People are literally joining like our course that we sell to listen to how to pick a mining pool. So I think it's valuable. People are clearly asking for it. And yeah, so let's just go through some of the steps. We got our beautiful candle here, crypto
Seems
candle.
like- yeah, you're getting intimate over here, right?
Yeah. Uh-oh.
That's my phone. That's who's calling.
So,
Jacko.
not Fakosha, I'm disappointed.
No, not getting on that call.
Okay.
Leave this for later. Now, priorities.
So, the, how to pick, my God, I got so many coughs. How to pick a mining pool. Fuck.
What's going on, JD?
It's just difficult. But yeah, so for people who don't know how to pick a mining pool, if you have like a Bitax, stuff like this, actually everything on this table is a SHA-256, so you can mine Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, whatever. There's a whole bunch of coins. There is this pool called mining pool stats.stream where you can see a bunch of pools. Are they all good? I couldn't tell you, but we're going to look at into this. So you can see there's like Foundry Digital, F2 Pool, via BTC. My favorite one is Mine in Dutch. It's like, where is it? Dutch. Spot 39. And on this column here, you can see like the fees that they charge. So if you're solo mining, there's a 1.5% fee of everything you get. CK Pool, 2% fee. Some of them get pretty greedy. My God. Via BTC, 1%. So this is like one thing you can start to look out for.
So you would say the pool fee is the number one thing that you look at?
I mean, it definitely like something to be aware of. Like other pools, like you can see Binance charges 4% on,
Yeah.
I forget what FPPS is, but there's like pay per last known share or last new share, whatever it is. My God, I can't do a video with this.
Show them the cup though.
The what?
The cup.
Blockchain video.
Yeah. Got
So
this at
what I should actually show is how to pick the best one from the list. So, you know, you might want to join via BTC and Brains and Ocean, for example. What the hell is this? Tidies? What the hell? I don't know what that is. Once you find a bunch of pools, you're gonna have to like pick one, right? So I do have little notes I wrote down.
So if you go to mining, go back to the website. If you go back to miningpoolstats.stream, what are they ranking them on? Like based on
Hash
what
rate.
exactly? On the hash rate?
Yeah.
Okay.
So Foundry Digital has like the highest network hash rate right now. So
So nothing to do with the latency or the pool fee or anything.
we're gonna go into the latency stuff now. My God, I feel like the video is so dog shit.
It's all good. You're gonna
Because
survive.
of, anyways, there's this tool here that I'll put in the link. It's from the guy who made Atlas Pool. It basically lets you test all the pools. So I can't even talk, like my throat is so screwed up. But basically you want to download this. I'll show you guys how it works. I'm gonna record my screen. Okay. But when you have it, there's like some Python files. The only thing we want is these two files to verify and stratum test. So for people on Windows, you're on your own. For people on Mac, you need to open up a terminal. You do CD, drop the folder. And now we're inside of it. We can see the files. If you don't have Python installed, you could just go to like python.org. I put it inside my little, my little note here. You could just download Python, install it for Windows or Mac, whatever, or Linux too. So you're going to need this to run the tool. So with this tool, what you could do is, it's on 3. When you run it, it's going to start testing 20 servers that it has built inside of itself, and it's going to tell us which are the fastest ones. So we'll just wait for this to come up. Shouldn't take too long.
There we
So
go.
right now, do we think Atlas is number 1 or is there one above it? Oh, someone beat Atlas. So right now, from this tool, which is made by Atlas Pool, by the way, there's a pool called US Solo Hash, which is quicker than Atlas Pool.
From what I remember, and Matt, if you're watching this video, please correct me.
He doesn't have a server in Montreal.
Not Atlas, but this guy does, from what I do remember.
No, but that's what I mean. So Atlas Pool doesn't have a server in Montreal where we're located.
Right.
So the pool that has a server in Montreal, US Solo Hash,
Correct.
is a faster pool.
Right.
So in theory, connecting to US Solo Hash is better for us just because, it's quicker. Now, you could see there's not a lot of, there's stuff missing here. So in the, did I close it? That's unfortunate. That's very unfortunate. In the folder that we downloaded it, you could open this file in like a text editor or VS Code or whatever you want. Sorry, there we go. There is a spot in the code here where you could put the pools. If you're not familiar with Python, it sucks. You could just copy a line and paste it, and then you'd put the new pool information that you want. One of them I signed up to was PowerPool, just because I see a lot of people with PowerPool, and I was like, oh, maybe it's good. So you would copy here, not script, we want SHA-256. But you just copy the address, and then you'd go, you'd go into your code, and you just replace the address here. And the port is 3333, it's fine. We would just call this PowerPool. I don't know where your server is, who cares? Unknown. Then we just save it, and then we could rerun the script, and you will see now we have 21 because PowerPool just got added. So the problem is, to do this with all the servers you want, you got to come into the file, add them all in. For some reason, he doesn't have a bunch of them added in here. He only has 20 when there's hundreds of pools. Okay, so it ran. So, you see, here's the power pool that I added. It's in what is this,
6th?
Okay, 6. So that's how you could check the speed of the pools. And this is important to run at your location because it depends on where you are in the world. So our test will be different than someone in the UK. Yeah, and this also this measures the ping, pinging the server, and it I don't know if it submits a fake block or something, but it connects to the Stratum server. So this is a very accurate test. So yeah, that's part 1. I need to take a sip because I'm choking on nothing. It was fine all day, but George wanted to record late, so no. Maybe it's the candle.
Maybe it is the candle.
Maybe it's the candle. So the other tool in here, clear that, is the verifier tool. So they have this verify pool in here, and what it does is it tells you if you're connected to a scam pool. And I already copied some stuff here just to...
Can you explain and elaborate a little bit more of what a scam pool is?
Yeah, so I ran the tool already. You just missed it. But
whoops,
it's just to show Matt Guard. So this is what the script does. It connects to it, and I don't understand it 100%, but it kind of I guess puts your Bitcoin address into the block template. So if it mines a block, you could see that the money is going to go into your wallet. So some pools don't do this, and those are known as scam pools because you can't be sure that the money will ever make it into your wallet. So if you're going to connect to a random pool, you should run it through the tool to make sure your address is being put into like a block template so that the coins should in theory end up in your wallet. Now,
so essentially they're just utilizing your hash rate.
Yeah, so there's a couple examples he has that they pretend, I think it's for Bitcoin Cash or Bitcoin, but either way, one of the pools will pretend to mine for you, but it's not. It's really mining something else. You can never hit a block on it. They're basically like stealing all your hash power.
Nice. Interesting.
So, but anyways, when you run it through the tool, you can see like the verification pass. That like the Bitcoin address that we put in our script here is like included in the block template, so we could actually get our money. Of course, they have a little warning, like, you know, to make sure the coins actually go into your wallet, but you know. Now, I want to edit a file in here just real quick. Let me close this. Because I want to show what a scam pool looks like. No, it's got like Zolo. No, I have to find this somewhere. I think it's like .bid. Yeah. So I'm just gonna like.
Weren't you at some point in a scam pool yourself?
Our dev.
Oh yeah, Will.
He
Will
actually
Wonka.
this pool right here, LuckyMonster.pro, which I was about to like mess up so it doesn't trigger the scam pool.
Right.
What I wanted to show is the message that happens when you join a scam pool by mistake. So, and if for people who don't understand, it's Python 3 verified pool.py, and then you put in the address of the pool, the port, and then your Bitcoin wallet address. So it will go do the test. It's like looking. But this one, in theory, should fail because this is a known scam pool.
There you go.
So here you go. So your Bitcoin wallet address is not in the block template. So it's very likely you're not going to get any tokens solo mine into this pool. So, you know, it's a nice little tool. I hope it's accurate because I don't really know how to test this other than trust that it's okay from Matt. But yeah, and I also have another... like for Solo CK, just with a completely different Bitcoin wallet address, just to show people, like, so this is Solo CK with a completely different Bitcoin wallet address, and you can see it also passed verification, so you should be good to go on like Solo CK. I don't want to do this for like every pool just because I don't have the patience or time to test like 100 pools, but so that's kind of how I would go about picking a pool. I know it was a lot, but I would like pick one that has like an appropriate fee structure that you like. Mining pool.
What's a fee structure that makes sense for you?
Well, okay, there's an interesting one. I like to pay 1.5%. 1% is better. I mean, you save 0.5%. But there are pools, like public pool. It has a 0% fee.
Right.
So my concern with public pool is how do they make money to operate if they're charging 0% fee? Like, I don't know where the funding comes in. Maybe they could operate without money. Maybe these companies here paid them. So Satoshi, maybe they paid them to run the pool. I don't know. These are our local guys.
Yeah, in Laval, right?
Yeah. I'm surprised to see them on here.
I'm surprised we never reached out to them. It's been 4 years we're in business.
Yeah,
and we never
I
reached out to them.
Yeah, we never talked to them.
Yeah.
But yeah, so like there is a concern, right? It's like if you're gonna join a pool like mine in Dutch, it takes a 1.5% fee. That is obviously like the operational cost to them, right? Like they need to pay for the servers, they need to maintain it. So I prefer not going to a pool that's 0%. But I'm gonna invalidate what I just said because the pools that are safe with 0% are the self-hosted ones. So we did a video on how to set up an Umbrel node. If I just type in Helium deploy, I'm not going to watch the video right now, but I did make a video here.
Come on, JD, you don't even have premium?
I'm on Safari. I don't even have ad block or anything.
I'm going to show you.
There's basically a video here that I did how to set up your own public pool, and the reason this one is okay for me is because, well, you're the one maintaining it at your house, so we don't really need to question where the money's going. It's you, like your computer, you're kind of the one responsible for it. So if you could set up your own local node, I mean, I would prefer that. But if you don't want to break your head doing that, you know, just go for like there's Atlas Pool or whatever else. Like it depends on what runs the fastest speed test, I would say. So yeah, let me take a little sip.
Slurp. Slurping.
We do have some other stuff though that I want to share. So,
but I mean, you still mention like what is the number one thing that you prioritize? Would it be the pool fee or like the latency? Of course, it's a combination of both.
Me?
Yeah.
It's going to be if I can multi-mine tokens.
Okay, that's fair.
Yeah, so that's even more complexity because if you see here, some tokens, like some, hold on, let me get out of here, back. Some pools let you merge mine, so you could mine like, instead of just mining Bitcoin, you could mine like Namecoin and Fractal Bitcoin, other coins with it. These coins aren't worth a lot of money, but if you hit it, maybe you'll get an extra like $1 or something every couple days. It does add up over time. Mm-hmm. So for me, I like the pools that do extra lottery tickets. Then it would be, what's it called, fee, and then it would be latency. For me, at least.
That's fair. That's fair.
Like, I know it's just going to be an argument. People are going to be like, latency is the best over multi-mine, but, you know, it's whatever. In the end of the day, I don't...
Well, let the debate happen in the comment section. Leave your thoughts.
I like to pick multiple, like, I like to mine random shitcoins. I like to know the fee, and latency is whatever. Because sometimes certain pools will only be able to, like, sometimes I won't be able to mine a coin I want, and it's only going to be on, like, a Russian pool. Of course, the latency is going to be horrible, but I have no other choice unless I like install it myself on my home node, but I don't want to do that right now. The other thing I wanted to talk about though.
Well, before that, like, no, I'm not, you can go ahead, but before that, leave your thoughts in the comment section down below if you agree or disagree with JD. We'd love to hear from you. I mean, not everyone chooses their pool the same way. So leave your thoughts in the comment section.
I think the worst thing you could possibly do is listen to, I'm a hater. I hate it when every influencer shows out pools.
Yeah.
That's why I specifically put Power Pool, because I saw a bunch of people saying Power Pool's like the best one. But of course, everything's the best when, of course, that's the best pool when you get paid to say it's the best. I mean, but according to like just the latency alone, it's not even like it's number 6. There's like 5 other pools above it. So.
Right.
You know, it looks cool, Power Pool, but I have nothing against them. Well, now it's number 3 in our list because it changes, right? So, it like...
Yeah.
It's funny how the UK one...
Yeah, but again, from...
I know. They have a server in Montreal, but it's
correct.
just like a UK-based... I don't even know. I've never even seen this website before. What is this? Okay. Oh, that's the logo that was on the public pool just before.
Yeah.
Oh, and you can mine Bitcoin too. Everybody loves Bitcoin too. Is that it? Digibyte, yeah. Well, at least you can mine Digibyte. That's nice. But this is what I mean by extra coins. So, some pool won't let you switch into different tokens.
Can you let us know what Bitcoin 2 is?
Bitcoin 2, I have no idea. Just Bitcoin 2. I have no clue what this token is. 58 miners. Dude, I could tell this site is made with AI. Every time I see like emojis before stuff, this is the most obvious AI shit in the world.
All right, so what was the second thing you wanted to talk about?
Yeah, so something actually cool is, let me take a sip. No, I'm joking.
There you go.
Actually, we should show what we're doing too.
Is your mic even on?
Yeah, it is. Yeah, it is. It always, because you can't see it, right?
Okay, right.
I know. Me too. I always think your mic's off. We have news about the Bitax. So, we have like our Hashly app or Heal and Deploy remote management app, whatever we want to call this thing on our website.
Right.
It lets you like remote manage your ASICs. Currently, the way it works is you would install the software on your computer, and you can't turn your computer off, or then you lose remote access to your machine. We have someone now working in the back. We could probably go bug them.
Yeah.
So we could put the software on the ESP32 on the Bitax. So what that means for you guys is if you have a Bitax, you would just be able to log into it and upgrade the firmware, and our software would run on the Bitax. So you could turn off your computer, and if you don't have a server you want to leave running, this kind of becomes the little like node part. So this is like super good news. We could go bug them.
Yeah.
Because no one's seen them before. So
Yeah, they've seen Will, but they haven't seen Adam yet.
yeah, so let's go. I don't know if I should bring my computer. Let me bring it just in case.
What is it? What is it that you want? Huh? What is it that you want?
Okay.
Banks always asking for belly rubs. All right, let's go.
Also, we could zoom into this. Some customers ordered the what's it called? The quad tower for the Bitaxes, so
Right.
they're printing away. Made in Canada.
Did we actually give it a name? The quad tower?
I think I just called it like a quad coolant tower. Okay, Adam, we're coming to bug you. We're on camera, by the way.
Yeah.
Just
when he was saying he's not too comfortable in front of the camera.
yeah. So
It's all
Adam's
good.
kind of like working on the Bitax.
Yeah.
So hopefully the agent stuff could like run on it. What's the progress?
The progress is we're almost there. We're just going to test it out hopefully in maybe 10, 20 minutes.
10, 20 minutes.
Yeah.
Shit. Okay. Yeah, and basically that would be way better than. I already said it over there. What? Are you excited about that?
I am. I don't think you can hear me.
Oh no, we
We
can
can
hear
hear
you.
you.
We can hear you. Yeah.
No, I am super excited. I think being able to take over a Bitax and run our agent on it is going to be
Yeah.
it's going to be really good.
Yeah.
But do you know what the difference is between whatever he adjusted versus what we had before?
Yeah, I think now because since the Bitax is always running 24/7 regardless, we just run the agent directly on the Bitax, and then we can just remotely access the Bitax without having to have a separate box for it.
That's pretty
Yeah,
dope.
that's pretty much
That's
it.
all thanks to Mr. Adam over here.
Yeah.
So, what else do we have, JD?
Yeah, I'll go explain some of the live stream stuff with you because this is mainly me and you. I don't know what's going on here, but our marketing team, how to make AI UGC ads. Nice. Exposed.
Yes, and we do still have our Christmas tree on.
Yeah.
Right, Banks? All right.
So yeah, I guess one last thing to kind of like share, just because I guess it's going to be updates. It's me and you.
Yeah.
We're going to be doing live streams a lot. So basically, we're going to be doing Freaky Fridays, which is.
Just a regular.
Do you want to explain it? Like, do you want to be in the frame?
I mean, no, you can go ahead.
Okay.
I'll
Yeah,
explain
I'll
do the usual outro.
We have Freaky Friday, which is just going to be a chill time that we just like talk about whatever.
Come hang out with JD and myself on Fridays.
Yeah.
Freaky Friday. We'll share like whatever updates we.
So we got. Let me get this out of the way here. Save. So this is going to be a stream where we just chat and talk to everyone every Friday at 5 p.m. EST. But we also have something we're going to test right now, which is daily 5 p.m. EST live stream for like crypto support stuff. So maybe the picture will change, but basically me and George will be here. If you have questions about, I don't know, if you have questions about why this doesn't turn on or, just technical questions about the devices, we're going to be there to like answer them. It's not really for, hey, I ordered something.
I mean, they could come up and I can, if they really want to raise flag on something, they can come
Yeah.
up and share it with me. Though
Yeah.
they obviously won't get a response instantly. It's mainly going to be targeted for whoever is encountering like any issues with regards to their devices and need like
like this.
live support.
Like this is perfect example. Like if you have a machine and you have like messages on your screen for some reason,
Right.
we're expecting some people to come ask questions. I'm also expecting people just not to listen and just come and talk.
No, but that's fine. Everyone can join in.
Yeah.
We're not going to kick people out of the room.
Yeah.
If anything, the more people we have, the better. It's just that let's be mindful that those live streams at 5 p.m.
Oh,
Eastern time.
we already have someone in here.
Yeah,
First thumbs up. Todd is literally the first one.
the legend himself. Big
Yeah.
shout out to Todd DeRose who won the first giveaway.
Okay, I'll tell him we are filming.
And let him know that he's on the video. We love you, Todd DeRose. Our first giveaway winner of the DC Hammer Script Miner. DC02 Hammer Script Miner.
Yeah, and something else we're going to be filming. Should we tease the thing tomorrow?
Which is? Oh yeah, of course.
So I have it at my desk also. So basically, we are going to open this up.
But you have to give the big shout out to Fully Electric. I mean, he's the...
Yeah, it came to our attention that you could flash these with
Right.
Bitax XOS.
Right.
So we're going to try that tomorrow.
Thanks to Fully Electric who
Thanks to
mentioned
Fully
it.
Electric.
Yeah. So we're going to give it a try with this one. And
So I have one on my desk. Like the only problem with this is I need a long screwdriver to open it.
Yeah.
Inside of actually all three of these units are kind of designed all the same way. They have the ESP32, and there's these little 6 pins here that I'm going to solder onto tomorrow, and that will let us connect and reflash this so it runs Bitax OS, and hopefully everything goes well and it works after that. See, I cleaned 2 chips just to see what was under it, but I wanted to save it for tomorrow. So yeah, hopefully, I mean, this card would be the exact same too. There's probably the exact same holes that I could tap into here and hope for the best. So that's going to be an interesting video.
how about the Jingle Miner though? Can we do it with the Jingle Miner as well? Because I know it runs on the Nerd.
But we don't have a Jingle Miner on hand.
Yeah,
other
the
than the little
1.2
black one.
terahash, yeah.
I just don't know where it is.
I know where it is, but whatever. It's right there actually.
Honestly, I could just open a bunch of them
Yeah.
and see tomorrow. I'm hoping we could get a screwdriver to open this, but if we can't, we got this one, and potentially the Jingle Miner.
Yeah.
And maybe even the big Jingle Miner card, the 12 terahash, might also be able to be flashed.
So we're receiving that. We should be receiving that next week. Actually, I don't know if you were done, but I can elaborate a little bit more.
Yeah.
on
Do
that.
you want me to
Sure.
film you? I know you're so tired from holding this heavy can.
No. Got those nice little biceps keeping.
I don't see any triceps on there, like.
Unfortunately, you haven't been feeding me, JD. But essentially, once again, I want to share what JD has shared earlier.
Yep.
Our live streams will be going on. Will be live every day from Monday to Friday, 5 p.m. Eastern time. Again, we're starting as for Friday. Sorry, not Friday. 5 p.m. Eastern time. If we need to adjust it because it doesn't make sense with your time zone, we'll look into it and we'll adjust. So people don't panic. But for now, we find that 5 p.m. Eastern time is the one that makes the most sense. But again, let's be mindful that these live streams from Monday to Thursday, we're gonna be careful because then we have the one on Friday at 5 p.m. as well.
I know. I just put every day for now. It doesn't
so
matter.
from Monday to Thursday, we'll have those live support chat. So please be mindful. Anyone can join in, but whenever someone has a question, let's be mindful that we need to prioritize his support. And if you guys want to jump in and help,
Yeah.
great. That's the whole point of having this community.
No giveaways in the support calls.
No, there's no giveaways.
Okay.
And let's just be respectful and mindful of everyone who's actually there for the support. And again, if you guys want to join in and assist us, then that'll be great. That's the whole point of having the community. Now, you guys can come in and ask questions about your shipping updates, but whatever update I need to provide you will be provided over email. It won't be provided directly here on the live chat. The live chat is mainly for the tech support stuff. Now, I do want to mention one thing. I did mention it in yesterday's video, as well as on my live stream last week. We announced the first big giveaway winner last week was Carol G. Once again, congratulations for winning the Hammer Script Miner DC06 as well as the Nerd QX++ Rev 6.1.
Is it claimed?
Hasn't been claimed yet. I did reach out to her today, so let's just wait a week or so that I hear back from her, which I highly doubt I won't. So, and again, if I don't, I will share it with the community and we can pick a new winner. But for now, the winner, the prize, sorry, is allocated and dedicated and reserved for Carol G. So we had Carol G winning the HammerScript Miner DC06 as well as the Nerd QX++, and we had Todd D. Rose. Big shout out to Todd D. Rose, who's already there on the live
who's
stream.
already waiting in the chat here.
Who won the first giveaway of the road to 10,000 subscribers. So as we speak, we're at 3,300 subscribers today. And again, we wouldn't be here today if it wasn't for you guys. So what we did is that I just came up with this idea of giving away a HammerScript Miner DC06, sorry, not DC06, DC02, every time we reach a milestone of 1,000 subscribers. So once we reach 3,000 subscribers, we stopped the giveaway and we drew a winner, which was Todd D. Rose. Once again, congratulations. He's already received his device. Now we're heading to 4,000 subscribers. So I expect us to reach 4,000 subscribers, again, all thanks to your support, by the end of this month. Once we reach 4,000 subscribers, I'll stop this giveaway and I'll draw a new winner. But as promised on last week's live stream, I came up with this magnificent idea of giving away a product that we still don't hold, but I'm excited to receive as of next week. We don't have it here, but it's similar to this. It's the Jingle Miner Magic Miner hash card, which delivers 12.5 terahashes. So for, dollar per hash rate, I think it's your best product, like bang for your buck. Like I know it compares itself to the Nerd Octax. And again, some people will still prefer the Nerd Octax given that it's an open source product and you can upgrade and modify.
Wait. The new one might be able to be flashed.
It could be flashed,
maybe.
But could you upgrade the fan on it? Could you upgrade?
I don't know. I gutted this one.
You're right.
Maybe.
You've got a point.
Maybe we can.
We'll find out. We'll find out tomorrow, actually. But all that
it's
to
not
say,
supposed to be though.
right? It's not supposed to be. But dollar per hash rate, it's one of the top products out there. It was really well done by Jingle Miner in partnership with Magic Miner, who manufactured those devices for them. But they are sold retail exclusively by Jingle Miner, but for now. But we're going to be holding these products in stock. As a matter of fact, I reached out to them directly to see if they wanted to collaborate it on the hash card, and they did. And being so generous and kind, they said, let's add the BTC Solo Pro miner, which is similar to the Nerd QX++ Ref 6.1. So it's 6 terahashes. The only difference is that it comes in a casing. I can show. Do we have the Jingle Miner?
Yeah, I just don't know where it is.
I know it's somewhere there. Sorry for the awkward.
Don't worry, we'll teleport.
The
Oh,
awkwardness.
look, the best cameraman.
Yeah. We did have it on your desk, though.
We're doing the tour. I don't know. Where is it?
Wow.
It used to be on the side here.
I guess it's not here anymore.
It's okay.
We just came here to bother Adam. That's pretty much
It's
what
okay.
we
I'm
got.
gonna cut this. I feel
No,
like.
no, that's fine. So essentially, we're giving away the hash card 12.5 terahashes from Jingle Miner Magic Miner. And in addition, for our second prize winner, they will be receiving a BTC Solo Pro miner, which is similar to the Nerd QX++ Ref 6.1, 6 terahashes. So you just have to click on the link down below. It's a Gleam link. You guys have to follow simple, easy steps. And the more entries you get in, the more chances you get for winning this magnificent prize. Again, in partnership with Jingle Mining. I wanted to note that the second winner, the second prize, will only, how can I put this in a simple way? The second prize winner will only be chosen by someone who's directly live on the stream. So the first prize winner will just draw it directly on the live stream and in front of you guys, and It could be someone that's live on the stream or not, but the second prize winner will have to specifically be on the live stream. So we'll reach out to you via email to validate that you're there on the live stream. We'll send you a code. And if you're there on the live stream, then congratulations, the second prize is all yours. So once again, thank you so much for tuning in. We'll share more details in tomorrow's video, but the link of the giveaway in the description down below. We look forward to seeing you in tomorrow's video. Thank you.
Okay. Yep. See you guys.